National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Camden, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waverly, Camden, New Jacksonville, McCune, and Hurricane Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee.